From a leadership skills standpoint, again, I think we're going through a change that requires flexibility. Some things we want to keep building on and some things we want to change. But the key thing is ownership. I want to make sure people feel for whatever part of the organization they manage, that they truly feel ownership and that the work product that comes out is something they can stand up and really be proud of every day. And whether it's pipeline management skills, whether it's the sales process skills, whether it's just interacting with a whole different group of people who may not have been traditional Veeam employees. How do we bring in the best of the best? How do we nurture their careers? How do we make sure they know what they need to do to be successful? Those are kind of a different thing than Veeam has seen historically. Some of it's kind of the same, but some of it is radically different in that the challenges are now different, the stakes are bigger, and we have more competition. So, it's wrapping all that around how to be the best manager you can be.